everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlotte and you're at Charlotte Time. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Today is a super special day because we're going to be making banana bread in a mug. Here are the ingredients you will need: flour, baking soda, oil, honey, cinnamon, milk, and of course a banana. Okay, so first you want to add one banana into your large mug. You can just mash it with a fork. If you want to go a little bit faster and make it faster, get a potato masher and mash it up. And get it to a consistency that looks something like this. And after you've mashed your banana, you're going to get milk, any type of milk you want. Full fat, 2%, whatever. Coconut, whatever you want. So just add 2 tablespoons of milk into your banana mixture. After the milk, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, any type of oil you want. So now we're going to add honey. But what I like to do is I like to go milk from vegetable oil from honey, because once you add the vegetable oil, it's still in here. So then it's all greased up. So once you add the honey and you pour it out, most of the honey will come out, so you don't need scraping everywhere. Use my bear. Don't worry, I wash my hands. So now it is time to combine all the ingredients we've done. Alright, so this calls for 6 tablespoons of flour, but no one really wants to just get 6 tablespoons, 1, 2, whatever. This can take too long. So you can actually do 1/4 of a cup of flour and then only 2 tablespoons, so it won't be that much work. So when you measure out flour, you want to get a flat surface so you can get it everywhere, because you don't want too much or too little. That can cause problems. So get this, make sure it's all in there, then brush it off. Look, nice and clean. Before you mix in the flour, you can't forget about these 2 fellas. Alright, so we're going to add a 4th teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda just makes sure that it rises. So 4th teaspoon. Make sure you get the exact amount, or else it can taste too soapy or ugh. So, okay, last ingredient to add is some cinnamon. That's just it's another fun flavor to add. So you don't really need to measure it out. You can if you want to, but I just like to add a good amount. Now it's time to stir both the wet and dry ingredients. Make sure to get a spatula to scrape down the sides, because we're gonna make sure if there's any flour bits or any other things that haven't combined together, and you wanna make sure they come back together with everything else. Now it's time to bake, and then we're gonna use our microwave here. Put it in. Set a timer for 1 minute and 45 seconds. Since this is a little bit bigger, it needs to bake for more time. While your banana bread is cooking, you can go say hi to your pets. All right, time's up. Here is your finished product. So for a little fun bonus, you can get your fork and dab at the edges, and then so it can be released, because then you can flip it over on a plate. All right, time for the big finale. Kind of tap it. Ta-da!
I want to try. Ooh, that's really spongy. It's kind of. It tastes like really good banana bread.